All right, how to make 70K a month on Shopify. Let's dive into it. No holding back. First step, create a Shopify store. Second step, get a great product, especially a product that you already know is selling. Third step, market that product and do not reinvent the wheel. So that's the whole step. Now, I'm just kidding. I'm going to dive a little bit deeper here. I want to talk about this further. This is a case study from the Akemi team. So I want to dive into it. I want to share just some things that I think will be helpful for you guys. Now, I will say this is not common for everybody, of course. So you should have your expectations removed or reduced, actually, because it's pretty hard to make it to this level. However, it's not impossible. In fact, this store is ran by a guy that's, I believe, 24 years old. So age is not a limit, and resources are also not a limit because he started the store dropshipping and with very few funds. So how can you do this? Well, I shared with you the actual blueprint at the very beginning of this video. That's actually true, even though I was saying it a bit ironically. That really is all you need. And then what you'll need is TikTok. So this is actually going to be saved for a different video, this Pack Palace store, because I really want to dive deep into it. But I really think it's valuable for you to understand how TikTok Shop works and also how you can really maximize the value from it. Really, it's not just TikTok Shop alone. The value here is in seeing how people are marketing TikTok shops. That's really where the value lies, because you can apply that to any business. So what I mean by that is, first of all, sticking to a product. So instead of spam testing dropshipping products, find a product you actually like, even if it's dropshipping, order it, and obviously make sure that it's already being sold. Make sure that it has some sales data behind it and a market, right? And some ideas that you can get started with for marketing. But order that product, get it in your house, get it in your hand so you can play around with it, use it for a few days, and then start making content with it. And again, follow the content that already works. But this is actually a crucial step. I think you should totally start ordering your product. You don't need to, of course. It's not necessary for you to do that. People make money in all sorts of ways. And yes, I know there's a baby crying out there. I'm sorry, but that's just the dad life right now. But yeah, so order your product, get to know your product, and then launch it and commit to it for a few weeks, right? Especially when it comes to making TikToks. And then once you find TikToks that actually resonate, that get some responses, use those concepts to run paid ads, and you'll have much better results than just constantly spam testing products. So I say that because I know that there's a lot of people that do that spam test products, and I'm not saying again that it doesn't work. It can work, but you need a lot of resources for it. You need a lot of money, time, teams, and also, it's just going to be costly, really. And you need more skills, right? So take it a little bit slower, but still be very fast, right? Like just order your product or order 10 products and see which one you like the best and go all in on that. Start making content, really understand the product, really try to build it into a brand through dropshipping. Branded dropshipping is the move. You see all these TikTok shop brands, right? And here's the thing. A lot of them are not that great. Like they have a good product, sure, but it's not something super special. What's special about it is the marketing, the short form content. Now, with that said, this is a really exciting year for the Akemi team and myself and everybody watching this content, because we're only going to release more free resources. Like I literally just want to make a free course that highlights everything. And that's why I'm happy to talk about these things super transparently and honestly, holding nothing back besides obviously the name of the store here, because that's confidential. I don't want to reveal anybody's store that I don't have consent to reveal. And ultimately, I really don't think it's important. I think the foundation here is the same across this brand that we're working with and all these other stores that I review. So yeah, but what I want to say is that if you're looking for inspiration, look no further than the Akemi Lab Discord. I really believe that we created an incredible resource here that a lot of people are having a lot of fun with. So like breakout TikToks, here you can get a lot of ideas of content that works, just some incredible stuff like this, for example, which is such a genius marketing video. It's just this girl with this, luggage showing this guy how it works, and everybody's like crowding around. It's such an organic video, but it's such good marketing. And you see people here collaborating. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. God damn. And yeah, Chemilab is literally an incubator. Think of Y Combinator and all the incredible companies that come out of it. That's what this is. Even with the investor component involved. I'm trying to build brands with the talented members that join, that are actually committed, that are showing promise, that have good ideas. So make sure you join. And also, I will say, I hire people from the lab. So we've hired some incredible talent from the lab. In fact, Tariq is from the Discord, and anybody who's a part of the Discord knows Tariq is an integral member of it. He's a huge component to the success of this server and just the value of it, rather. So, he came from the Academy Lab. So just make sure that you join. We're not going to stop with these videos, though. I have some really interesting ones coming up, some interviews and things of that nature. So make sure you're tuning in every single day. You're not going to want to miss it. You're going to learn a lot with me, and you're just going to be closer to our team and be a part of the journey. Like, really, there's no reason to not go through this journey together. That's how we're going to learn more. That's how we're going to innovate, and it's going to be amazing. So that's it. Peace.